Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question for the day is there a humane way of getting rid of mice? When most people think about mice trapping, they think of your classic snap traps. There are other ways to catch those furry little critters, like the Solutions repeating traps. Simply put some food in the trap and set it in areas where you've been seeing the activity and let the trap go to work. Some even have a clear window so you can see when you successfully caught one. From there, it's as simple as taking the mouse a couple miles from the house and letting him go. It doesn't stop there. There are traps for everything from a rabbit, a squirrel, a feral cat, all the way up to a coyote. The only thing we don't have a trap for is for that guy stealing FedEx packages off your porch. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Some even have a clear window so you can see when you successfully caught one. That time was even better. Did I snap too fast?
No, I'll take it.